When performance means profit, our commercial power washers at Universal Trailer deliver results that speak for themselves. We've engineered these machines to handle the most demanding cleaning challenges across industries, from fleet maintenance to property restoration. These aren't your standard home-use pressure washers. They're professional-grade workhorses built for businesses that can't afford downtime or disappointing results. What sets our commercial units apart is the thoughtful integration of industrial components that maximize cleaning efficiency while minimizing maintenance headaches. The versatility of our commercial power washers means one machine can tackle multiple cleaning challenges. With adjustable pressure settings, interchangeable nozzles, and temperature control options, you can move from delicate surface cleaning to stripping years of industrial grime without missing a beat. Visit our showroom to test drive these commercial cleaning powerhouses or call our team to discuss custom configurations tailored to your specific business needs.